Hey people, so this particular video I simply had to make since my 7 year old, he keeps sending me these that's what there are these certain documentaries that everyone should watch. I feel, I mean, in fact, I have to say that of all the days in my life, today was one day which I think I've watched one of the best documentaries ever. And strangely, it's called Shark Week 2013, Megalodon, the monster of the sea. I mean, I know it sounds like an animated cartoon film or something, but oh man, it is a 1 hour 23 minute documentary, and y'all have to watch it. Yeah, I mean, it's uh, because the documentary opens with these with this. No, it's all a documentary. It's not scripted and all, of this certain family that was out at sea. I think they were busy doing fishing, and then this one person, he was he pretending to catch something, but instead they got caught, and this footage was recovered from a camera that was, that sunk with that fishing boat of theirs. So it's been a long time since I've got goosebumps while watching a documentary, but I can't recommend it enough, people. It's called Shark Week 2013, Megalodon, which is, you know, Megalodon, the monster of the sea. Just go and just find it on YouTube itself. It is so worth watching. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.